I was looking for a new Spyder helmet. I'm having difficulties in choosing the best helmet because all of the helmets are stylish and functional. My previous Spyder helmet was matte, and I want to try the glossy type of helmet. I'm also looking for a dual visor helmet that is lightweight. I chose the pearl white Spyder Neo Shift plain. It comes with a spare clear visor with pick lock and attachable spoiler. This helmet has stylish design for the air vents. It's a dual visor helmet. I will attach my intercom. This helmet is intercom ready. It can also fit in the compartment of my N Max. The helmet has a clear vision and very comfortable to use. I can also open the visor and use the internal visor.